ReEngage Therapeutics. ReEngage Therapeutics is a biopharmaceutical R&D company focused on developing drugs for longevity-related diseases, such as cancer and neurodegeneration, by modifying epigenetic targets implicated in these aging-related disorders. Thomas Kim has over 23 years of experience in biotechnology and corporate law, and he has held senior roles at major biotech and chemical materials companies. He also is a registered patent attorney. Please welcome Thomas Kim, President and CEO of ReEngage Therapeutics.
Thanks, Sarah. Appreciate that. And thank you all for listening to this amazing story about ReEngage and our much needed therapies for late-stage metastatic colorectal cancer. So this is not to be understated. I mean, this is a major problem worldwide, a top 5 cancer, which is expected to grow tremendously by 2040. And more problematic is dipping down into younger generation, those in their 30s and 40s. And to heighten the problem here, standard of care when you have recurrence and not amenable to targeted therapies, it's very limited in terms of optionality. So our effective treatment is urgently needed. And our solution is to resensitize these refractory tumors. So you can see in these two columns, these images, it's showing signatures of heightened DNA damage when you downregulate or you knock out our target enzyme, ACSS2. So if you knock it out and you hit it with chemo, you start seeing these signatures of DNA damage and ultimately cell tumor killing. And on the right, you're seeing histograms where we're looking for this purple gamma H2AX, which really shows the increase in DNA damage and cell death when you knock out the enzyme with chemo or you hit it with our small molecule with chemo. And this is the gold standard translative model for solid tumors. It's a patient-derived xenograft, and this is done at MD Anderson with our PI, Dr. Scott Kopes. You can see in these two trials with even low ACSS2 or high ACSS2 in the patient tumors, late-stage aggressive metastatic colorectal cancer. You can see on the bar on the right, the purple is chemo alone, and then the purple or the blue is the combination. So you can see in both cases, you're seeing 50% enhanced median survival over chemo alone. This is a significant beachhead that we're going after, third line, nearly 1 million worldwide and approximately 200,000 in the US alone. For this first-in-class drug, there is no comparable, but if we look at phase 1-2 cancer deals, we're looking upwards of 300 million as a base return. And this shows you a rapid timeline. The small molecule NT9655 has already proven safe, been in a phase 1 trial as a monotherapy. And with this newfound mechanism of action, we believe we can be in a phase 2 trial by 2028 and hit this massive value inflection. We have an experienced operational team. Everybody has over 20 years of experience, raised over 35 million in private funding, had some successful exits, including a merger with a public company, and multiple clinical programs have been engaged and managed by this group. So right now we're looking to transform CRC, but we are excited about expansion into other refractory solid tumors and the potential of moving into second-line therapy. We've raised $430,000 to date. We're tackling a large unmet need. We have a outstanding partner in MD Anderson, both preclinical and clinical, and we believe we can accelerate a de-risk asset into this combination therapy in a phase 1b/2a study. GMP manufacturing is already established, and we're looking for partners. Happy to talk to you more about this opportunity in our breakout rooms. Thank you for your time.